Look at that. Gorgeous color depositing mask. Ta-da! Now her copper on her ends is done. So I'm super excited because I'm gonna be using new Color Fresh masks, and I decided to go with my Copper Glow. So you can see that I have like this nice, beautiful auburn shade. I'm super excited. I love doing redheads. So I'm gonna actually show you guys a side-by-side, and I'm gonna apply my Copper Glow to the right side, and I'm gonna leave the left side so you guys can see how much of a difference the masks make. Ooh. And this is why I'm doing it at the shampoo bowl, is because this is basically a conditioner. It's a conditioning mask with color in it. I can do this very, very easily at the shampoo bowl and work this into the hair. And they only set up for up to 10 minutes. So I don't need to let it sit on for an excessive amount of time, but I'm gonna work this in. So you could apply a Color Fresh mask with a color brush. I mean, at the end of the day, what I think about these is that they're conditioners, right? So why not apply it like a conditioner? So I can work this through. I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb. With the Color Fresh mask, these can also be retail. So Bree, I can send you home with this. Yay! And you can use this once a week to maintain your color, because we also know that reds are prone to fadage. Finance, we're gonna send one home with her. All right, so I'm gonna let you sit for 10 minutes. You can take a nap or something, and then we'll rinse this side out. All right, so now I can share my results of my Color Fresh side versus my uncolor fresh side. So you can see on my right-hand side that the Color Fresh just added some really nice rich tones. The hair looks super shiny and moisturized. And this is amazing because like, I just put a colored conditioner basically on the hair and gave it some nice vibrancy. You can see on the left-hand side that's not color treated or not treated with Color Fresh masks. It's still nice, right? But the Color Fresh mask just added in some extra vibrancy. And I'm gonna send one home with her because she can use it every single week to maintain her vibrant new red.